Is FP Markets really one of the best Forex brokers in 2026? Or just another overhyped platform? Let's break it down with real facts, real data, and zero fluff. Welcome to Top Forex Brokers Review, your trusted source for unbiased Forex broker reviews and comparisons based on 50-plus criteria. FP Markets is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker founded in 2005 and headquartered in Australia. With nearly 2 decades in the industry, it has built a strong reputation for low trading costs, fast execution, and reliable regulation. Let's start with safety. FP Markets operates under multiple regulatory bodies including ASIC, SISAC, and FSCA. This means strict compliance, segregated client funds, and strong transparency standards. So from a trust perspective, FP Markets sits in the top tier. Now let's talk performance. Execution speed averages around 29 milliseconds, which is excellent for both scalpers and day traders. You also get ECN and DMA execution, meaning direct market access with no dealing desk interference. Spreads are another strong point. Standard accounts start from around 1.0 pip. Raw accounts offer spreads from 0.0 pips with a low commission. If you care about cost efficiency, this is where FP Markets really stands out. FP Markets offers a full suite of platforms. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 for traditional trading, C-Trader for advanced execution, TradingView for premium charting, and WebTrader for browser-based access. This flexibility makes it suitable for beginners and professionals alike. You get access to over 10,000 trading instruments. This includes Forex pairs, stocks, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and bonds. So whether you trade currencies or diversify into multiple markets, everything is covered. One of the standout features is TradeMedic, an AI-powered tool that analyzes your trading behavior and identifies costly mistakes. AutoChartist is also included, helping you spot trading opportunities automatically. Plus, free VPS hosting is available for traders running automated strategies. Funding your account is simple and flexible. You can use cards, e-wallets, bank transfers, and even crypto. Most deposits are instant, and withdrawals are typically processed within 24 hours. And importantly, FP Markets does not charge deposit or withdrawal fees. FP Markets does not offer bonuses. And honestly, that's not a bad thing. Most bonus-based brokers come with hidden conditions and high trading requirements. Here, the focus is on real value, low spreads, fast execution, and reliable service. FP Markets is ideal if you are a scalper or day trader who needs fast execution, an algorithmic trader using bots or IAs, or an experienced trader looking for low-cost trading. FP Markets scores 99 out of 100 in our review. It delivers where it matters most: speed, cost, regulation, and platform variety. If you're serious about trading, this is one of the strongest brokers you can choose in 2026. If you want to open an account with FP Markets, check the link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with top Forex brokers review for more expert insights.